Good morning, class. Today we continue chapter 6. Chapter 6 is linear inequality in two variables. Okay, I will explain one by one what it means. Linear meaning that all the unknown you have power 1. Okay, if you have x or x power 1, if you have y, y power 1, and so on. And then inequality meaning that the linear you have the linear equation or what you have this symbol greater than, less than, less equal, greater equal, and so on. This one we call it inequality. Two variable meaning that you have two alphabet x, y, a, b, and so on. Whatever alphabet you have two alphabet. So I let you see the example. So example of linear inequality is this one. You see example. How we know this one is linear inequality? Okay, number one, you see you have y is power 1, x is power 1. All the unknown you have power 1, so that one is linear. And then you have this symbol, so this one is linear inequality. And then two variable, you have x and y, two alphabet only. So this one we call it linear inequality. So now I will give you some keywords that you need to understand and you need to memorize actually, because in the exam they will ask you, they will give you the sentences or situation. You need to know how to write down the linear inequality according to the situation. So example, this one, you see the highlight part is the keywords. X is at least 10. When you see at least meaning that sekurang-kurangnya or 至少. So x is at least 10. When you see at least meaning that you need to put greater equal. X 至少要10以上. So 10, 11, 12 and so on. So x 大过等于10. X sekurang-kurangnya 10. So x mesti paling kecil ialah 10. And then you can 11, 12 and so on. Okay? And then if you see minimum, the minimum value of y is 35. Nombor paling kecil untuk y, not nombor paling kecil. Nombor terkecil untuk y ialah 35. Maksudnya sekurang-kurangnya dia mesti melebihi 35. So y greater equal. If you see minimum value meaning that greater equal. Okay? 这个最小的数目是35，意思讲要35以上。So 大过等于。And then next one, the maximum value of this is 18. So nilai paling tinggi. So 最大的号码只能够到18. So 你要用小过等于。Maximum value maksudnya nilai tertinggi ialah 18. So mesti kecil dan kurang. Tak boleh besar. So kecil kurang. So 3x minus 2y, just copy. Kecil kurang. So if you see maximum value using less equal. And then next one. If you see more than. X is more than 3. Maksudnya x melebihi 3. X 大过3. So more than is greater only. Means that not more than will be less and equal. Not more than 是不多过3. Kurang daripada 3 termasuk 3. And then if less than 3, kurang daripada 3, 少过3. 少过3就是 less. Okay, meaning that not less than will be greater equal. And then x exceed, x 超过3. X exceed 3. Oh, this one make correction. X exceed 3, this one is greater. Make correction here, I type error. So x is exceed 3. X melebihi 3. Meaning that x does not exceed 3, tidak melebihi 3. So kurang termasuk. So you tengok these two, and these two. This one don't have equal sign. Then this one will have equal sign because it's more than, not more than. Less than don't have equal sign. Not less than have equal sign. Exceed don't have equal sign. Do not exceed have equal sign. These three special case you need to memorize. These three don't have equal sign. The rest all have equal sign. So need to memorize it. And then this one, when you have two keywords like this, you need to be careful. X exceed y by at least 10. So you see, previously when you see exceed, if only one keyword, then you terus buat greater. 如果只有一个 keyword， 你就直接大过。看到 exceed 的话，如果看到有两个 keyword 啊 ，exceed at least. If have two keyword, exceed at least. So this exceed meaning that using minus. Okay, I repeat again. If you have two keywords like this, exceed at least, then this exceed meaning that using minus. Maksudnya, X melebihi Y sekurang-kurangnya 10. So how you write? X exceed Y, this part, meaning that is X minus Y. Okay, you see this red color, represent by this red color. By at least, just now, first inequality we already see, at least using greater equal. So meaning that here is greater equal. Then 10 you just copy down. So this is the linear inequality. And then for this, another example, the number of unit of model B is Y, meaning that Y exceed twice the number of model A by 10 or more. You see, have two keywords here. Exceed by 10 or more, meaning that this exceed you need to use minus. Okay, melebihi. So Y exceed twice. Exceed using minus. Twice meaning that 2 times, dua kali ganda, the number of model A X. So Y minus 2X. By 10 or more. By 10 or more meaning that melebihi 10 dan sama dengan 10. So greater equal 10. So all this is popular example on how to write down the symbol or linear inequality like this. So please memorize this. This one I will upload in your Google Classroom later on. So now please go back to your textbook, page 156, to look at the example, how we are going to write the linear inequality for this one. So this part you must understand what it means by the situation. So look at example 1, page 156. Taufik want to buy some revision books and exercise book at the books exhibition. Okay, Taufik mau beli buku revision dengan buku exercises. So dekat pameran buku sana. So he find that the price of reference book is 14 ringgit and the price of exercise book is 9 ringgit. So you need to write down. Price of reference book, one is 14 ringgit, and then the price for the exercise book, one is 9 ringgit. So this one is the keyword. And then the maximum amount of money. Okay, maximum amount of money. Just now we got see the keyword maximum, right? Duit yang dia ada, maximum amount of money, duit yang dia ada, 100, 100. So represent the above situation in an appropriate form of linear inequality. So macam mana kamu mau tulis? You can write like this. Okay, first you need to let the unknown equals to what? So usually you use X and Y. So this one, first one, let X equals to reference book, number of reference book that you have, and then Y equal to number of exercise book that you have. So how we form this? How you get the linear inequality? Because this one we talk about price. Berapa jumlah bayaran? So you need to see one by one. Reference book bayaran tambah exercise book bayaran. So what is the price? Okay, how you calculate? For reference book, bayaran is like this. Reference book, one reference book just now is 14 ringgit, right? For exercise book, one book is 9 ringgit. So 14 times X book of reference book. Ada X buku X kan? And then plus exercise book 9 ringgit times Y exercise book. So how I get this less than equal? This one because of the maximum, the keyword maximum just now. Paling banyak 100, so less equal 100. Can understand? Or in other words, I explain in Chinese. Reference book 一本是14块 ，exercise book 一本是9块。So reference book 你有 X 本，你有 X 本，然后那个 exercise book 你有 Y 本。So 你要怎样知道你的价钱？14块乘以 X 本，再加9块乘以 Y 本。OK， 就是它的价钱100块，它只有100块好用，所以不能够多过100块，你就要放 less or equal， 就是你的价钱加起来一定要少过100块的意思。OK，so this one you also can rearrange become like this，but I recommend you write down like this better。 xy and then number at behind. Better, okay. How they rewrite become like this. You see, some of the students will write x at here, and then this y bring to right hand side, so it will become 100 minus 9y. Or some students bring this one go to behind, it become 9y less equal 100 minus 14x. These three are equivalent, but I recommend you write this one like this. Okay, look at example 2. Puan Hidayah want to buy mathematics poster to hang in mathematics room. So the cost of small poster. So now it's poster. Small poster, 12 ringgit 50 cent. Large poster, 18 ringgit 50 cent. So represent the purchase of both poster in appropriate form of linear inequality if the allocation from the school is 150. So Puan Hidayah 要买 poster， 然后小的 poster 是12块半，大的 poster 是18块半。So 他买这个。学校只是给他钱，只是给他150块，所以他要怎样做这个 ？So how you form this one? So you can let K equal to small poster, B equal to large poster. So 你可以 let K 等于 small poster, B 等于 large poster. So 如果你要用 XY 也是可以。If you want to use XY also can. So up to you. So how we write this? So small poster just now 12 ringgit 50 cent, right? And then large poster 18 ringgit 50 cent. So do the same thing like just now. 12 ringgit 50 cent multiply K small poster, and then 18 ringgit 50 cent multiply B large poster, and then 150. We use less than equal because only have 150 for you to spend. 因为我们只有150块好用，所以一定要小过等于 ，OK， 小过等于。然后 how they get this? So you can try to key in calculator 12.50. Then you put equal, press equal at the bottom there. They will come up the fraction for you for the gray color calculator. If for the black one, the old one, they didn't show you. You need to press the button of A, B/C to get the fraction. If your calculator is gray color, you key in straight away. Equal, it will come out straight away. It's 25/2. K plus, this one also the same, press in calculator 18.50. Equal, you will get 37/2 also. So I'll get this. After get this form, so you have fraction, right? So over 2, you multiply 2 for each of the terms. So this one multiply 2, you get 25K. This one multiply 2, 2 and 2 can cancel out, right? So you're getting 37B. 2 multiply 150, you get 300, so less equal. So this is the answer. And then reminder for you, we recall back for the inequality, linear inequality. If you have this thing, 2x greater equal 4, let's say, how you solve the x linear inequality? You need to divide 2, right? So when you divide 2, you will have 4 divide 2, 2. And then if I have this, 2x greater equal 4 and negative 4, this one also need to divide 2, right? So this one, when you divide 2, you will have this one remain greater equal. So minus 4 divide 2, minus 2. And then next example, if I have negative 2x greater equal negative 4. So how I do this? X, this one negative 4 divide negative 2, you have 2. But be careful with the sign of this sign, greater equal, it will become less equal because you are dividing negative number. When you divide negative number, this sign must change. Similarly for this example, greater equal 4. So what is your answer? You will have x. 4 divide negative 2, you have negative 2. And then because of you divide negative number, then this sign must change. Okay, you understand why? Because the theory is because of like this. Let's say I have 5 and 2. Who is larger? Of course, 5 is larger, right? So you will write greater like this. And then if I multiply negative 1 for each of the item, so I have negative 5, negative 2. So now negative 5 and negative 2, who is larger? Of course, it's negative 2, right? So this sign also change. So you will notice that it's actually like this. Okay.